Found a really cool place to get free Star Wars sound effects, audiomicro.com, the other day. Just messing around, trying to put some spacey sounds in one of my tracks. So yeah, they have them for free. Check it out. If you go to the home page and then go to free sound clips, and then movies, I think it's around page 17. You could also just search for Star Wars up here. I'm going to go directly to the page. I forgot to sort. Yeah, so page 17, free movie sound clips. All this stuff is free downloadable. So they have basically every different Star Wars and a bunch of tracks from each movie. So it's sweet. Yoda sounds. Basically, we name it. It's there and it's free. Check it out, audiomicro.com. Later.